Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to charge a Eufy SoloCam security camera in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your Eufy security application and then you just have to simply select your camera. After that, you need to simply check the current battery percentage before removing the camera. So this is going to help you determine whether a full recharge is needed or if a quick top up is sufficient. Afterwards, you just have to simply carefully remove the SoloCam from the mounting bracket. So after doing so, you will find the charging port on the camera. Depending on your SoloCam model, you will typically find a USB-C charging port protecting by the weather resistant rubber cover. So you need to open that cover carefully in order to access the port. Afterwards, you need to plug the included charging cable into the camera and connect the other end to the USB power adapter. Now allow the camera to charge until the battery reaches to 100%. Now during charging, the LED indicator may illuminate or the Eufy security app may display the charging status. Depending on the model, the battery level, a full charge can take several hours. So once the charging is completed, you can disconnect the cable and close the weatherproof cover securely. Then you can reinstall the camera on its mount and verify in the security application that the battery level has updated correctly and that the camera is also online. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.